If you're looking to tighten up your privacy on Facebook and keep your personal information safe, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make your Facebook profile private. First things first, let's log into your Facebook account. Once you're on the home page, look for your profile picture in the top right corner and click on it. Now, you'll be directed to your profile. From here, click on the three dots next to Add to Story and click on Edit Profile. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Settings. If you cannot find it, you can simply go to your home page and simply tap on the three dots and find Settings. Now here you can tap on Privacy. Here you will see various options to manage your privacy. The first option is who can see your post or who can see what you share. Click on it to customize this. Select friends or only me depending on how private you want your post to be. Remember, choosing friends means only people you've accepted can see your post. And only me means the post can be only be seen to you. Now let's see who can see your profile. Here you can see. Click on next. As you can find here, who can see your stories. We've chosen on friends. You can choose whether public can see it, or you can choose whether friends or custom from can see the storage. Now click on next. Here you can block unwanted person that you don't want to be seen in your feed. Now let's go back. Now let's adjust timeline and tagging. Again, on here you can click on continue and on next. You can also limit past post. Now let's go back. Once you've adjusted these settings, take a moment to review everything to ensure it aligns with how private you want your Facebook experience to be. And that's all there is to it. You can also choose your data settings on Facebook and manage who can people or what type of person can find you on Facebook and send you friend request. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully made your Facebook profile more private. Also, you can simply lock your Facebook account nowadays. To do that, simply tap on three dots and here you can find lock or make your account private option. Tap on it. So as you can see, my account is professional mode, so I'll turn simply off. Now let's close and let's tap on three dots, and here you can see simply choose to lock your profile, and that's all.